There were once 3 men from Banī Isrā'īl. Each of them carried a burden that caused people to turn away from them. One suffered from leprosy, another was bald, and the third was blind. Allah willed to test them, so he sent to them an angel. In the form of a human being, the angel came to the man afflicted with leprosy and asked calmly, "What is the thing you desire most?" The man replied, "I want beautiful skin, a good appearance, and for this disease because of which people find me repulsive to be removed." The angel touched him, and by the permission of Allah, his disease vanished, his skin became healthy, his appearance became beautiful. Then the angel asked, "Which type of wealth do you love most?" He answered, "Camels." So he was given a pregnant she-camel, and the angel said, "May Allah bless you in it." Then the angel came to the bald man and asked, "What is the thing you desire most?" He said, "Good hair, and that this condition because of which people look down on me be removed." The angel touched him, and Allah restored his hair, giving him a pleasing appearance. The angel asked, "Which type of wealth do you love most?" He replied, "Cows." So he was given a pregnant cow, and the angel said, "May Allah bless you in it." Then the angel came to the blind man and asked, "What is the thing you desire most?" He said, "That Allah restores my sight, so I may see people again." The angel touched him, and Allah returned his vision. The angel asked, "Which type of wealth do you love most?" He replied, "Sheep." So he was given a pregnant sheep. Time passed. Years went by. Their wealth multiplied. One owned a valley full of camels. One owned a valley full of cows. One owned a valley full of sheep. Then the real test began. The angel returned this time as a poor traveler, appearing exactly as they once were. He came first to the man who had suffered from leprosy and said, "I'm a poor man. My provisions are gone. I have no way to continue my journey today except by Allah, then by you. I ask you, by the one who gave you beautiful skin and wealth, to give me 1 camel so I may continue." The man replied coldly, "I have many obligations." The angel said, "It seems I recognize you. Were you not once diseased, poor, and rejected by people? Then Allah blessed you." The man answered, "I inherited this wealth from my ancestors." The angel said, "If you are lying, may Allah return you to what you once were." The angel then went to the second man and said the same words. He too refused. He too denied Allah's favor. The angel said, "If you are lying, may Allah return you to what you once were." Finally, the angel came to the blind man and said, "I am a poor traveler. My means are gone. I ask you, by the one who restored your sight, to give me a sheep so I may continue." The man paused, then said with humility, "I was blind and Allah gave me sight. Take whatever you wish, leave whatever you wish. By Allah, I will not withhold from you today anything you take for the sake of Allah." The angel replied, "Keep your wealth. You are only being tested. Allah is pleased with you and displeased with your 2 companions."